Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can create a dynamic array in two different ways, how we can add values to a dynamic array, and also how we can remove values from a dynamic array. So to create a dynamic array, let me show you the first way. You just specify the type of the elements, and then access modifier we will say internal, and let's say my array 2 is equal to new uint, and here we can specify a length, we will say 3. So this is a type of dynamic array, but most of the time you're not going to be creating your dynamic arrays like this. You will be creating your dynamic arrays as simple like this: uint internal my array 3, this. And that's how you create a dynamic array. Right now this dynamic array, it has a length of 0. I mean, like there is no element inside, but this has a length of 3 and this has a length of 3. Okay, so if you want to add values to this dynamic array, how you can do that? You will do it like this: function add values. Let's use the function parameters, uint num external, and here my array 3 dot, we will use a method which is called push, and here we will push what? We will push the function parameter, so we will say num, and that's it. That's how you add values to a dynamic array. So let's now remove the last element of this array, function delete values, let's say, and we are not going to need the parameter external, and my array 3 dot pop, and that's how you remove the last element from a dynamic array element. So now let's also create a get array function, and here how you can return this array. Okay, it's a get function, and here you don't need to specify the length, and that's how you return it. Okay, so now let's save it, and now let's deploy it. Let's go down. First let's get the array. Now my array 3 is empty, so it should return nothing. Yes. And now if I add values, let's add some values. Add some more. Let's add at least 4 values. And let's add more. Now let's get the array. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 elements inside. So if I now call this function, it will remove the last element. Let's test it. Now let's get the array. Yes, it has removed the last element. You might be wondering how we can remove not the last element, but for example the first element. That's a good question, and we will answer that in the next exercises. And see you next time. Bye bye.